We will begin with some breaking update that we are getting for you at this point in time, and this one is from the incident that was reported from Badlapur in Maharashtra. Viewers, there is no end to gut-wrenching details related to the sexual abuse of two minor students in Badlapur. The two-member state-appointed committee has submitted its preliminary report to the state government, and according to the preliminary details that Times Now has learned from the sources, the kindergartners may have been repeatedly abused. The committee also flagged several gaps in response from the school authorities, including a delay in reporting the incident and failing to conduct any background checks before hiring the accused in this case. Remember, the Bombay High Court has also earlier pulled up the state for letting the school off the hook. And after the political pressure, now two officers of the Education Department have been suspended. They have been accused of not installing CCTV cameras on time and the delay in reporting the case. Remember, that was the cause of the anger as well of the people who came out on the railway tracks on 20th of August and were in fact talking about the delay in police action. Let me straight away now go across to my colleague Shweta, who's been tracking the developments very, very closely. Shweta, firstly, some very, very disturbing details have now emerged in Badlapur incident. What more details can you share with us? Because on Friday, the Bombay High Court that had taken suo motu cognizance of the case also came down heavily on the way police mishandled this entire issue.
Indeed, it's appalling. In fact, the Bombay High Court had earlier taken the suo motu cognizance of the matter, and now we see that there have been series of lapses that has come to fore. Now, from the malign school management to the Badlapur cops, the way they have handled the case clearly shows the insensitivity. Here, what we are getting to understand is that after the Badlapur cops, it's the time where the Education Department as well as the school management are facing the heat, where already 4 people have been suspended. Now, from Education Department, 2 people have been suspended for not installing the CCTV cameras. When we speak about the school management, there have been 2 suspension, reason being for not timely reporting the heinous incident that took place in the school premises. Now, remember, this particular appalling crime in fact took place on 13th of August, but this was reported on 16th of August, and on 20th of August we saw the huge crowd gathering at Badlapur railway station as a Rail Roko Andolan took place. However, we are also seeing political use in this entire scenario, where the opposition have been hitting streets from Badlapur to across Maharashtra places, and today also they have called for silent protest after the intervention of Bombay High Court, where the Bombay High Court has very categorically stated that there cannot be any political party one can conduct such kind of band, and if any political party continues to do so, state can take stern actions against them. Right. Here we are seeing many developments, as you have stated. It's happening from Badlapur incident. It will be again an important part to see what does the SIT probe comes ahead with.
Right, Shweta, I request you to stay on with us. And meanwhile, viewers, the opposition Maha Vikas Aghadi of the Shiv Sena, UBT, NCP and SP along with Congress have decided to call off the Bandh call that was given over this issue today. The High Court, in a directive to in response to the petitions challenging the call for a general strike, had restrained any person or political party from issuing such a call and asked the state government to take preventive steps. Now, Shiv Sena Chief Uddhav Thackeray has said he disagrees with the High Court order, but the opposition bloc Maha Vikas Aghadi has withdrawn the proposed shutdown.
हमें कोर्ट का फैसला हमें मंजूर नहीं है, इसके खिलाफ हम सर्वोच्च न्यायालय में तो जा सकते हैं, लेकिन कल के कल इसके ऊपर कोई सुनवाई नहीं होगी। सुप्रीम कोर्ट के लिए भी कुछ समय देना पड़ेगा, अब तो समय नहीं रहा, इसलिए हमें तो मंजूर नहीं है, लेकिन उसका आदर करते हुए स्वीकारना तो पड़ेगा, स्वीकार तो करना पड़ेगा। इसलिए कल हम बंद नहीं करने वाले, लेकिन मैं खुद और मैं सारी जनता को और सब मेरे पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता है, महाविकास आघाड़ी के कार्यकर्ता है और जो भी नेता है उनको आह्वान कर रहा हूँ कि आप जहां भी होंगे, जिस गांव में होंगे, जिस शहर में होंगे, उसके शहर के और गांव के जो भी मुख्य प्रमुख चौराहे हैं उस पर आकर आप बैठ जाएं। मैं 11 बजे जाऊंगा, 2 घंटे तक तो एक आंदोलन तो करना ही पड़ेगा और मुंह पे काली पट्टी, हाथ में काला झंडा लेकर हम उसका विरोध करेंगे।
नहीं, कोर्ट के आदेश का हम हमेशा सम्मान ही करते। कोर्ट के आदेश के विरुद्ध जाने का सवाल ही नहीं। और रहा सवाल, वो कोर्ट ने भी जो आदेश दिया है उसके बारे में जो ट्वीट हमारे पवार साहब ने किया है उसको लेकर प्रदेशाध्यक्ष उद्धव जी ठाकरे से और हमारे पवार साहब से बातचीत कर रहे और 1 घंटे के अंदर में तीनों पार्टी मिलकर जो निर्णय होगा वो आपको बताया जाएगा।